For suppose if you want to have another option here for a live image, you can create another push button. Maybe you can do here. You want one more axis for live image, you can change this. Or in the same first axis you want a live image, you can, instead of browse, you can make it as acquire image. Okay. Now inside acquire, go to callback. So callback menu. Here the program lines to be changed. Okay. So suppose see, what is the program? I'll just tell you the code for that. You can try if you are interested. So this is for image processing. For suppose I want to capture images from inbuilt laptop camera. So what you can do means, these are the lines you can use. So I'm in a variable VID, or you can write whatever you want, IMG, that's up to you. This is the syntax for this. Video input win video, comma 1. Win video is the actually adapter name. Adapter name in the sense your camera, which camera device you are using, that's name actually. So you can take that and then device ID. Okay. So if you simply type these lines and then I'm setting, I need an RGB. I need to capture an RGB image. So I'm just setting it set is VID, because in VID only I have my live image, and then I'm setting that as to the color space of RGB. So I will get an RGB image. I will get a snapshot of that by taking get snapshot. This is the syntax for this. Get snapshot. You click on, if you use a get snapshot from the video, you can capture an image, and that can be displayed using IMShow, IMG parent, app.ui axis. So whichever, this is to be remember, whichever axis you are going to display, correspondingly that tag name. If you are going to display in first axis, UI axis, second axis in the sense UI axis 2, third axis in the sense UI axis 3, and so on. Based on which axis you are going to display that, you're supposed to use UI axis tag name correctly. This is for capturing images from inbuilt laptop camera. No, sir. I'm interested with some USB cam, with some good quality of cam, and that camera to be located in a particular location. I should capture those images. How I can do that? Through USB cam, you can connect a cable to your system, and that camera can be placed whichever images you want to capture.